Hey everyone, welcome to the WayScript channel. My name's Derek, and today I want to show you a quick tutorial on how we can import packages in the Java module inside of WayScript. Let's get started. Once we sign into WayScript and create a new script, we'll be here in our editor with a blank tree. In this example, I just want to show you how to import a package using the Java module. A module in WayScript just contains some type of functionality. To get started using Java, we'll need to select Java from the left section under the code heading. We can drag it and drop it to whatever step we want. Since we only have one step in our tree, I'll just drag it in as the first step. Then, once we get to this page, we can click on Edit Code over here to the left. This will give us a full code editor that we can use to write custom Java code. To get started working with packages that we may want to import, we can do this just like how we would locally if you're familiar with Java. We can just go to the top and say Import, and then whatever package that we want to import. So we'll use a pretty standard one. We'll use the utility package, and then we can import custom classes and methods that we want to use in our Java script. So let's import something basic like an array list. We can use this class import to create an object within our Java program. We'll go down a few lines and get rid of these. Let's go ahead and create a Java object. So we'll say array list, declaring the type, and then we'll say new variable. This will be equal to a new array list. Now that we've created that instance, let's go ahead and say new variable, and then we can access the methods that come with that import. So in this case, let's use add, and then we'll pass in whatever we want to add to this array. And once we execute this, we'll have that new variable, which is an array list with WayScript and rocks as two different strings. However, if we want to use these Java variables back in WayScript, we'll need to pass them there. So that's what we're doing with this variables object here. We'll keep this as first output as the name, and then we can assign the value that we want. So in this example, we're assigning this first output as this value that we're creating here. Now, once we run code, we should get a new value down here in the bottom left, which we do. A lot of packages are already pre-installed on WayScript, so you don't need to do anything more than this. However, if a package isn't installed on WayScript and you still want to use it, you can go up to Dependencies under your file browser. What we do in Dependencies is declare any package that isn't pre-installed on WayScript that we can use in our main.java file. And that's all it takes to import packages using the Java module on WayScript. If you have any questions or comments, as always, please let us know and we'll help you out. Until next time.